This ELA activity list for week of May 15th isn't due till next Monday, May 21st. Required for 3 times for 20 minutes each. Read to self and practice your power goal. Check each box when you've completed it. For work on writing this week, required for 15 minutes, we've been learning a lot about living things. Create an opinion foursquare plan about your favorite animal. Independent, reflect when you're done. Required for 20 minutes. Using your foursquare plan, write a draft about your favorite animal. Remember to include an introduction, transition words, and conclusion. Independent, reflect when you're done. Required for 10 minutes. When you are finished with your opinion writing, score yourself and edit your writing using the rubric in the resource area. Independent, reflect when you're done. Required for 10 minutes. Complete the Fix That Sentence worksheet in the resource area. Independent, reflect when you're done. You can use a pair, put your pair on the line. Optional, trade your writing with a partner and score each other's writing opinion draft with a colored pencil using your rubric. Put your pair's name on the line. Reflect when you're done. For reading comprehension this week, required for 20 minutes, read Nana's Herb Garden. Complete the sheet in the resource area to go with the story. Independent or pair, reflect when you're done. Required for 15 minutes, listen to reading today. Listen to story on Raskins on your level. What is the title? Write it on the line. And take the quiz, write down your score. Independent, reflect when you're done. For foundational this week, required for 20 minutes. Green and blue readers, please do the homophone hunt. Red readers, the homophones worksheet. And white readers, homophones number 1 and 2. Independent, reflect when you're done. And required for 5 minutes, scan the QR code to record the tricky words on your level. Independent, reflect when you're done. In social studies this week, you have a choice. Read Celebrating Holidays, Memorial Day on Epic, or scan the QR code and listen to Celebrating Holidays, Memorial Day on Epic. Independent or pair, reflect when you're done. Required for 15 minutes, after reading about Memorial Day, answer the questions in the resource area. Independent, reflect when you're done. And optional this week, complete a Memorial Day quilt square from the resource area. Independent, reflect when you're finished.